Today I am going to explain you the second chapter, the geographic grid, means latitudes and longitudes. Okay, the network of parallels and meridians or latitudes and longitudes mostly is known as geographic grid, or one more name it is named as Earth's grid. Okay, let us see that. First of all, some introduction about it. The most convincing proof about the shape of Earth has been given by the pictures, is it, which has taken from the space by astronauts or by the orbiting satellite. And we had studied in previous chapter that the actual measurement proved that the Earth is not a perfect sphere. Its equatorial diameter is more than its polar diameter, but this difference is very small, is it, that is 42 kilometer. So thus for all the practical purpose we use the shape of Earth as a sphere. Okay, now let us see the new heading or the main heading, the geographic grid. You know that what can truly represent the spherical Earth, because it neither has a top or bottom or any sides or corners. So imagine the difficulty of mostly locating any particular point or any place on a perfectly round ball. It's very difficult. That's why we need some system for locating places on the accurately on the globe. Okay, on the earth. That's why the very simplest way is to design two set of line that intersect at right angles. Such network of vertical and horizontal line is known as grid system. Okay, and in order to know the location and direction of any place on the earth's surface, we have developed some technique. Let us see which are that technique. First, we know that earth rotate on its own axis, and while rotating, earth has two endpoints of this imaginary axis, which are that you can see in the picture. Upside we have top side north pole and downward south pole. Okay, and the poles are taken as the fixed points on the earth's surface. Okay, they are not changing, mostly as a reference point for developing a different locating places on the earth. Suppose if you can see mostly the if you visualize any plane through the earth's surface halfway between north and south pole and perpendicular to the earth axis, we get one reference, that is equator. Okay, an equator divides the earth into two equal parts. The part which is above the north of side equator, it's called northern hemisphere, and the other part which is to the south of equator, it is called southern hemisphere. Okay, it means equator has divided into two parts. Okay, so the earth has the mostly rotating on the axis has two endpoints, which are north pole and south pole, and the plane which has passed through the earth, the line which has divided earth into two equal part, that is northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. So now we have many references for describing and measuring location on the earth's surface, is it. First is the axis of the earth, second is the north pole and the south pole, which are the fixed point, and next one is the equator. Okay, so this is little bit introduction about the geographic grid. Now the next heading is the parallels and the meridians. You know that every globe has two sets of circles. Okay, one set is running from east to west and they are running parallel to the equator, that's why they are called as parallels. Okay, second set of the lines are running from north to south and they are passing through the north pole and south pole, or you can say the line between north pole and south pole is called as meridian. Okay, these parallels and means these horizontal circles which are from east to west, and the north to south, the lines which is running, these parallels and meridians can be used to define the location and direction of any place on the globe. Okay, so the parallels and meridians mostly intersect each other at a right angles. You can see the above picture, earth's grid C number. There we are having the parallel and network of parallel and meridians, and this network of parallel and meridians on a globe is called as the earth's grid or the geographic grid. Okay, which is the name of the chapter that we are going to study is geographic grid. Okay.